Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to.
It's about to be my first time on a seaplane. I'm like too excited, honestly, to be scared. So I can't wait. So we are on the bus and we're going to Vommuli Island.
Yeah, first we're gonna go to the seaplane dock, and we already checked in here. They're taking our bags, and right now we're gonna go to the seaplane.
And this van is like lit, so they actually have Wi-Fi. Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much. Literally for the van ride, they are giving you a nice cold, refreshing towel infused with essential oils. Don't judge my face right now. I've been jet lagged like non-stop. We're working our way over, but it's just so hard to keep up with the time zones. And so it's just been crazy. But hopefully after this vacation, Franz is so excited.
So excited.
I'll be looking a little bit more rested. Before you get on your seaplane, they do have a waiting area, which is like right before you board the plane. And you can get anything you want to eat, any drinks that you want. They have a bathroom. They even have a shower there. So we were just accommodated completely, and I felt like the check-in process happened over there.
Well, we're checking in at the Great Room, which is the lounge that the St. Regis offers before you take the seaplane. They give you an introductory video of your butler, and it's very personalized, telling us, you know, about the St. Regis and how she's going to be there as soon as we land. And that's exactly what she did. She was right there. She greeted us. They took our bags. We sat down. We had some coconut water, and then we went on a golf cart on a quick tour on the island because it's very small, so it only took a couple minutes. And then we went to our villa, and then she explained us further how the whole entire villa functions.
Oh, hello. Welcome to my suite in the St. Regis Maldives. So I'm going to give you guys a little tour of the suite because this is probably what everyone's been dying to know about. So let's just come over here. We're going to start with the minibar and the boring stuff. So as our butler told us, they do not call this a mini bar because it's not so mini. So we have full size everything here. We have a wine cooler. We have all the snacks that we need. And over here we have some sweets and chocolates. Of course, over here we have our coffee maker. We requested a lot of water, so we have that, and we have this really modern water boiler. Here we have all of our teas and coffees, everything that we need. Everything in the room is actually controlled by an iPad. So if we want to control the temperature, we have to adjust the dial on the iPad and it will change. Curtains, you can make everything black out, or you can do the sheer television. We have all of these channels, and you'd even order your room service over here. So this is how you order your food, and then once you're done, they call you to confirm. So since one bathroom is obviously not enough, we do have two bathrooms, and our butler said just in case we have any guests over, you guys are my guests, so come on in. This will be your bathroom if you visited me. Obviously this is just so extra. Over here, it's just so beautiful, and that's just the guest bathroom. So now let's go see what I think you guys have all been waiting for, which is obviously the outdoor deck. So over here, Franz and I have our own separate sun loungers with towels already set up. And out here we have these 4 floating hammocks. Actually, there's 5 of them that you can just lay on, relax. We can lay together, we can lay on our own. Over here we have a day bed. It's in the shade, so if we feel like we've had too much sun, we can lay here in the shade. We have a little dining table over here, so if we want to eat and watch the sunrise or the sunset, we can sit right here. This is our own personal infinity pool on our villa, and we can actually access it from our bedroom and our bathroom as well. If we just want to hop out of the bathtub, come out and jump in the pool or the ocean, we can do that. Over here we have a cabana, so if we want to cuddle together and take a nap in the sun, this is a joined bed, so we can just lay here, super cuddly, and it does have a little bit of shade, which is awesome. Okay, so come on down. Over here we have our private beach access. It's not really a beach, I guess, it's the ocean. Wow. So we can see all of our neighbors out here. We see the beach villas out there. Oh, this is so beautiful.
It's crazy, right?
No, I can't even
Look at this, man. Wow.
If we want to rinse off after being in the ocean, we have the shower. If we want to just do our feet, we have the faucet here. The pool is 4 feet deep, and we do have like little elevated areas where we can sit or lay in the water. Just like notice like the high ceilings. It's so extra. I love it. We do have a little alcohol bar. I'm not a big fan of drinking, but I might have a cocktail because we're on vacation. So, come into our bedroom. The bed is huge. We do have another iPad here by our bed, so if we just want to pass out, we can just turn the lights down or turn the air on or off right from our bed. So this is our bathroom. It's literally the size of my bedroom back at home. Just kidding. So there's a shower over there. We have our towels. We just have like just this really good vibe. Like I love the interior design of this villa. Over here we have our own sinks because Franz and I always fight over the sinks, so we don't have that problem here. We have a manicure kit here, and over here we have a hair dryer. This is our soaking tub, and look at the view that we have from the tub. It's just so much to take in. And there's also a little TV here, so if we want to watch a movie while we're soaking in the tub, we can do that. So we have a walk-in closet, and we each have our own sides. So this will probably be my side because I just like that side better. It has the cute little hangers. And Franz's side over here, he actually has cute hangers too. They provide us with these tote bags to carry around all of our things around the beach. We can hang them on our bicycles, obviously the ironing board, slippers, this vanity just in case I don't have enough space. I feel like they know me. They have this book out here. What else? I feel like that's it. Oh, we have our own full-length mirror. So here's one full-length mirror if you want to just check out yourself, and then I have my own over here so I don't have to fight for selfie space with Franz. Something that's unique about the St. Regis chain is that they actually give you a butler, and it's your personal butler available 24/7, and they actually have a service where they can unpack your suitcases for you. So my butler did unpack everything for me and hung up all my dresses and folded up all of my bathing suits down here and lined up my shoes. So it's just something that makes this experience a little bit more luxurious. So this is the tour of our St. Regis Suite over water villa. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and now let's just go ahead and move on with the vlog.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last.
So guys, we are riding our bikes to the whale bar, which is the best spot to watch the sunset here at this hotel. And they're gonna have like a reception, so we're just gonna go there, enjoy the sunset. Lisa?
I'm so excited. It's
Yes.
so gorgeous on this island. Like the colors get so red. Like the sky just lights up. It's incredible. Today I think we're gonna do like a lot of absolutely nothing. We're gonna go get some breakfast. We do get a free breakfast because Franz has status with Marriott, so that's amazing. And I heard the breakfast is really good, so let's go check out the breakfast and I'll check in later. The breakfasts here are the most amazing breakfasts I've ever had. You can order sushi, you can have foie gras, you can have Indian food. Honestly, they have so many selections, so it's just incredible. You can even have ice cream. So breakfast is like my favorite part of the day right now. Yesterday, all we did was just relax, you know? Like I really feel like this vlog is so boring. Like vacation vlogs are just literally me and Franz like laying on the beach. So I just want to show you guys the resort, and I'm trying to keep it as relevant as I possibly can.
Just had breakfast, and then we're just gonna chill pretty much here, you know, in our villa. We have this beautiful plunge pool, and we have the beautiful Indian Ocean right across our villa. So we can just jump in. In the meantime, see what Lisa's doing. Hey Lisa.
Hey baby.
Woo.
I'm so fat right now because the food here is so good. I've been eating so much. So don't judge me.
And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on. We're moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. We're moving on.
So they provide you with snorkels and life jackets and snorkeling fins, and we can just jump right in off of our villa and go straight into the ocean, and you can see so many fish and sea life. It's just so much fun. So we're gonna take you with us. We snorkeled over to the island from our bungalow, and now we're just walking along the beach. You can see that our bungalow is like way over there. I think like that one is ours. And now we're just walking along the island. We're already halfway around it, just to give you an idea of how small the island is. And the St. Regis actually has one of the largest yachts apparently in the Maldives, and you can rent that out. I don't really want to know how much that would cost. And right here again is where the seaplane landed. So the first thing we saw when we landed from the seaplane was this incredible view.
The water is actually from the sea, and there's a lot of minerals and salts added, so it has a lot of healing properties, and it feels amazing after a beautiful sunny day.
Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to.
So today we wanted to go jet skiing, but they told us at the water sports center that the water is actually too choppy to go jet skiing. But this is actually our situation right now. It's actually super glass, but since they denied us the jet skis, we actually got a blessing in disguise, because we were like, let's just go explore and bike around the island. And we ended up here in this private, well, not private, this whole island is private, but this like secluded beach. It's right next to the spa. So over here you can see the spa where you can get massages and stuff. And obviously this is like the secluded beach. We've got a volleyball net, and then over here is where they land the seaplanes, which is cool. So I don't like looking at that dock because it reminds me about how we have to leave in like 3 days. I'm so in love with the Maldives. I'm just like, this is too gorgeous. So Franz already ditched me. We've been blessed with like the best weather. It's been a little bit cloudy in the morning, but you can tell that it just cleared up, and we've just barely had any rain. Yesterday we were paddle boarding and it rained a little bit, but that's it.
It's nothing.
Did you want to go jet skiing?
Yes, I do. I want to go jet skiing back tomorrow, so it's a beautiful day.
One day Katie did surprise us with a bubble bath, and she put like a little heart with roses, and she gave us a little cake. That was amazing. We did yoga in the morning. We woke up bright and early at 7:30 in the morning for yoga, and it's actually in the spa, so that was really, really cool. So here we have a game room where you have entertainment. You can relax here on these beanbag chairs. We also have some foosball, and over here we have a ping pong table, and everything you need for a ping pong can be accessed right here. You can watch a movie over here. Oh, we have this bougie Monopoly table right here, and then of course billiards. Everything in this resort is just so extra. And over here you have video games, so if you want to play Guitar Hero, we have Guitar Hero. So Franz, how often do you think we'll use the game room?
Once.
We're just having too much fun on the beach. Maybe on like the 5th day we'll get tired of everything and we'll come back here.
And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last.
Alright guys, so this was our Maldives vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We had an incredible time. We're totally coming back, right friends?
Right.
If you guys have any questions, go ahead and ask us in the comments down below. And of course, I'll do a more detailed printed version of this on my blog. So if you want to read my blog post, go ahead and click that link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
See ya.